Today I'll show you how to make your text circular in Photoshop. This is perfect for designing logos, so let's get started. Here I have my logo / circle thing as an example. The first thing to do is to go to the view menu and check rulers. Then place your cursor on the side and drag the ruler towards the middle. Then place the cursor on the top and drag the line to the center. This will help us make the text be perfectly centered. Now activate the ellipse tool and set the mode to path. Then while holding Shift and Alt, make a circle in the middle with your mouse. Hold Option and Shift if you are on Mac. After that, activate the text tool. Pay attention to this part. Basically hover over the circle until this icon appears. Then make a click with your mouse so the text follows the circular shape or path. Now you can type in whatever text you have in mind. You can change the color of your text. You can rotate the text. You can recenter it. And you can customize it to your liking with the characters panel. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.